Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Gurpreet's World. Today I'm making a video on O3 Plus anti-aging kit, which is the Time Expert facial kit. Now it is specialized for fine lines and wrinkles. So those who have fine lines on forehead or under eye or any wrinkles, so it will help in that. Now quickly we'll go through the ingredients. So it has glucosamine yeast. Now glucosamine yeast is the ingredient which helps in wrinkles. It decreases wrinkles. The second is stem cells. Now stem cells helps in repairing the damaged skin. So it helps in improving the skin texture and repairing the skin. So next is oligopeptide. Peptide is a very good ingredient for your skin. It helps the skin to make more collagen. So basically it helps the skin to boost the collagen production, to make more collagen, so that you may get that youthful skin and the youthful look. And next is white tea, which has 3 times more antioxidants. So that is what your skin requires. So let's quickly see the facial kit. Total it has 7 steps. It is the advanced facial. So all the steps are written behind. You can see it over here. The first step is whitening cleansing foam. So we'll see the whitening cleansing foam. Here is it. This is the whitening cleansing foam. You have to apply it on the skin and neck and massage it for 5 to 10 minutes and then wipe it off. We'll see the second step. Second step is luminous gel peel. Now we'll see where is the luminous gel peel. Here, luminous gel peel. This we have to cut with the scissor and apply it on the face and neck, and we have to keep it for 4 to 5 minutes, no massage, and after that we don't have to wipe it out but continue with the facial, leaving it. So the next step is step number 3, microdermabrasion facial peel. So let's see where is it. Over here, microdermabrasion facial peel. You have to apply it on face and neck and massage it for 4 to 5 minutes. Done. We'll see the next step. The next step is Time Expert serum. Let's see where is it. Time Expert serum over here. You have to cut it with scissor and then apply it on face and neck. And you can also use machine for this serum to penetrate the serum more into the skin. So this will help you enhance your facial and improve your skin more. Because of the machine, the serum will penetrate more into the skin, so it will give you more results. And then you can massage it also. After using machine, you can massage it for 5 minutes. So we'll see the next step. Next step is collagen serum. Let's see where is collagen serum. So here is collagen serum. Again, you can use machine on this serum. With machine it will penetrate more. Collagen is basically to make your skin more thick. So when the skin will become more thick, your skin will become more glowing, and the quality of it will improve. And then after using machine, you can also massage over 5 minutes. Now we'll see after that. Then is whitening massage cream. So we have the massage cream over here. Here is the massage cream. Apply it over face and neck and massage it for 10 to 15 minutes. And now come the face pack. So we'll show you what is there in the face pack. We'll show you the ingredients in this capsule. It has algin, soya protein powder, green apple powder, hydrolyzed collagen and ascorbic acid. So for face pack, you have to remove the ingredients from this capsule and you have to pour it in a 80 ml hot water and then pour the mixture into this mask. This mask is given in the kit, so you have to remove the mask and pour the mixture in it and let it solidify. When it solidifies, apply it on the face and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off, and then facial is done. So that's all from my side today. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.